Today, Dunwoody College of Technology unveiled a new renovation. The school says this is the first renovation in 4 decades. The project reuses space that used to be a gymnasium. It will now house a state-of-the-art learning commons and a welcome center for students, families, and other college visitors. The Learning Commons features a library, technology for enhanced research, additional digital library access, as well as multi-use spaces for faculty and students. The new Welcome Center is capable of accommodating events of up to 150 people.
The gym was not really heavily utilized here. We didn't have any locker room facilities. We don't have any intercollegiate sports on our campus. We care more about our students being engaged in industry kinds of clubs and events.
This is just phase 1 of the multi-year project. Future phases of the renovation will include a new campus gateway, a student center, and a school of engineering spaces.